Find the derivative of the following function. Fx equals 1 minus x square over square root of 2x plus 7. So basically we have a function divided by another function, so a quotient of two functions. So we need to use this quotient rule of derivative. Then by the quotient rule, the derivative is, it's like u v. So on the bottom, v square means bottom is square, root 2x plus 7 square, and square root cancel. By the way, only 2x plus 7 remains on the bottom. On the top, u prime times v. So derivative of top, so derivative of 1 minus x square, let me set up, derivative of top times bottom, v means this, root 2x plus 7 minus derivative of bottom b prime u. So derivative of 2x plus 7 times the top is 1 minus x square. Okay, now we need to find the derivative here because we have prime, and we need to find the derivative here, and we are done. We don't need to simplify, so cancel. So we have 2x plus 7 on the bottom. Now we got two terms, and derivative of 1 is 0 minus derivative of x square is 2x. So 0 minus 2x, just negative 2x times root 2x plus 7 minus, now we have derivative of 2x plus 7, square root of 2x plus 7. So let's do this on the side and we'll write down the final answer, times 1 minus x squared. Okay, so to find this, you might want to review previous examples. So let me do over here. So we are trying to find the derivative of root 2x plus 7. Okay, so root 2x plus 7 is same as 2x plus 7 raised to 1/2. Root means raised to 1/2, square root prime. Prime means we need to take the derivative. Okay, so we have something raised to 1/2. So this is more than x. So this is a composition of two functions. So we need to use the chain rule. So outer function, u is inner function. When we find the derivative of outer function, leave the inner alone, times derivative of inner function. So in this case, 2x plus 7 is like u. This is the inner function, and that raised to 1/2, it's like xn is the outer. And for outer we can use this power rule, derivative of xn, in this case un, or that n is 1/2, n that x n minus 1. So using the chain rule, derivative of outer means something raised to 1/2. So n inner 1/2 minus 1. 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. This inner means 2x plus 7 times, from the chain rule, derivative of inner function. Derivative of 2x is 2 plus 0. Derivative of 7 is 0, so just 2. And this 2 and 2 cancel. That leaves 2x plus 7 raised to negative 1/2. We can remove this negative, get rid of this negative exponent, putting 1 over 2x plus 7, but that's not necessary. So minus derivative of this is 2x plus 7 raised to negative 1/2 times 1 minus x squared, final. Okay, or if you don't like this, then you can get rid of this this fraction, make a product and use the product rule. Let me show you how. Okay, alternatively, let's go back and see, rewrite this function, 1 minus x squared over 2x plus 1 2x plus 7 raised to 1 half. That square root means raised to 1 half. Move that to the top, raised to negative 1 half. So we have 1 minus x squared, that's coming from the top, times from the bottom 2x plus 7 raised to negative 1 half. So we got a product of two functions, and we can use this product rule. This product rule says derivative of first factor times second, just leave that alone, plus derivative of second factor times first, which is 1 minus x squared. Now let's find the derivative and we'll be done. Derivative of 1 minus x squared, derivative of 1 is 0 minus derivative of x squared is 2x, so basically negative 2x, times 2x plus 7 plus, now it's complicated, so we need to use chain rule here. 2x plus 7 raised to something raised to negative 1 half. Okay, this is 2x plus 7 is inner function, and this raised to negative 1 half, something raised to negative 1 half, it's like u or x raised to n, outer function. So use chain rule. So using chain rule, we need to take the derivative of outer function, something raised to n. Using power rule, something raised to n means n, leave the inner function alone, n, that n minus 1, negative 1 half minus 1, negative 1 half minus 1 is negative 3 halves. That inner is 2x plus 7 times derivative of inner function, which is 2x plus 7, derivative of 2x is 2 plus the derivative 7 0 just 2, times 1 minus x squared. Okay, you may leave here, you don't have to simplify. They'll ask you, you don't have to, just leave there, done. In fact 2 and 2 cancel, this negative plus this becomes minus. Okay, but this is good enough.